Welcome to our latest update on the Indian startup ecosystem. In the first 8 months of 2023, India's venture capital funding space witnessed some significant shifts. Today, we'll delve into the key highlights of an article that sheds light on these changes. Let's start with the numbers. According to global data, a leading data and analytics company, 734 VC funding deals were announced, accumulating a total of $4.9 billion during this period. While there was a year-on-year decrease in both deal volume and value compared to 2022, the decline was more substantial in terms of funding value. To put this into perspective, VC funding deal volume recorded a 42% year-on-year decline compared to the same period in 2022, when there were 1,266 VC funding deals. Meanwhile, the corresponding deal value declined by a massive 71.5% compared to the $17.1 billion raised in the first 8 months of 2022. Interestingly, this subdued VC funding activity is not unique to India. It's a global phenomenon. Most key markets are experiencing a decline in both deal volume and value. India, as a top APEC market for VC funding activity, stands just next to China in terms of deals volume and value. It's also one of the top 5 global markets. India accounted 5.3% of the total number of VC funding deals announced globally during January to August 2023. Meanwhile, its share of the total disclosed funding value stood at 3.1%. Now, some of the interesting and notable VC funding deals announced in India during this period include a $250 million fundraising by PhysicsWallah, $200 million raised by Zepto, $200 million for PhonePe, $146 million by Veritas Finance, and $120 million raised by Credit B. To know more about India's evolving VC funding landscape in 2023, read the article. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned for more updates on the dynamic world of startups and venture capital. Read more about this story on TICE.news. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share TICE newsletters. Follow us on Google News, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Let's stay in touch and stay tuned here.